Get ready, boys and girls.
Gonna jump over the
Can you
rope?
get over the cars? Do you think you can get over there, boys and girls? You've got to jump the 2 cars.
Woohoo! All right.
You want to see him jump again, boys and girls?
Fuck yeah, come on.
Okay, get ready. Got to say charge. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, charge!
Woohoo! Yeah, that's a great job.
We might get him to do another one. We'll get him to do another jump. 1, 2, 3, charge! Coming around. 1, 2, 3, charge! Thanks for coming. Thanks for coming. We'll see everyone at 7:30 tonight. We're going to have a beauty for the final show. Scruffy was there. It was terrific.